Hi everyone, welcome to Money Mastery, a channel where we simplify money mindset and smart financial habits. Most people earn more than ever before, yet they still struggle to save. Salaries keep increasing, but savings? They don't. The reason isn't income, it's lack of financial structure. Money goes out silently through habits we don't track. Wealth isn't lost in one big mistake, but many small ones. Let's start with something simple but powerful: financial housekeeping. Once a week, open your banking app and check your expenses. See where your money is going and what's draining it. Look for unused subscriptions or unexpected charges. Awareness alone can save you thousands every year. Before investing, you need protection. An emergency fund is non-negotiable. Aim for 3 to 6 months of your regular expenses in savings. This protects you from panic during job loss or medical emergencies. Wealth isn't lost in one big mistake, but many small ones. Most people want to invest, but feel overwhelmed. They think investing means tracking markets every day. Emotions take over. Fear when markets fall. Greed when they rise. Busy lives make it worse. Job, family, responsibilities. As a result, people either delay or make bad decisions. This is where systematic investing helps. With SIPs, you invest a fixed amount every month automatically. No need to time the market or monitor daily ups and downs. Once set up, it runs quietly in the background. You focus on life while your money works for you. Compounding is where real wealth is created. Your money earns returns, and those returns earn more returns. At first, growth looks slow and boring, but over time, the growth accelerates sharply. This is how small investments become large wealth. Investing a modest amount for a long time beats investing big for a short time. Time gives compounding the space to work. Even small increases in amount or duration create massive differences. Returns don't grow linearly. They multiply. This is why starting early matters more than starting big. Risk is always present in the market. You can't eliminate it, but you can manage it. Regular investing and long-term thinking reduce risk significantly. Smart investors take calculated risks, not emotional ones. They focus on decades, not daily market noise. So if you take just 3 things from this video, remember this: manage your money before you invest it. Start investing early, even if the amount feels small. And give compounding the one thing it needs most: time. Wealth isn't built loudly. It's built quietly, consistently, and patiently. And in the next video, I'll show you 5 practical investment options and how a low salary can still build high net worth. So subscribe if you want to build wealth the smart way. Hit like if this video added value, and I'll see you in the next one. Till then, take care, stay smart with money, and keep growing.